So you want to see what happens when you start doing pull-ups every single day? Spoiler alert, it's not just about building muscles that look great in the mirror, though, trust me, that happens too. We're talking real, lasting change, from better posture, stronger arms, to even a rock-solid core. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Stick around to see exactly what happens to your body when pull-ups become your new best friend. Let's dive in. Pull-ups look cool, no doubt, but once you make them a daily habit, you unlock more than just bragging rights. Your body starts waking up. Muscles fire up, especially your back, arms, and core. It's like flipping a switch from meh to let's go. You'll feel your grip strengthen within days, and even your posture begins to fix itself. That slouch from sitting all day? Gone. Pull-ups force your body to straighten out, stretch up, and grow stronger. It's not magic. It's just what happens when you consistently challenge your upper body. Do pull-ups daily, and your back won't just grow, it'll transform. Your lats, those wing-like muscles, start flaring out, giving your upper body that bold V-shape. You'll notice at first in how your shirts fit, suddenly tighter around the shoulders, looser at the waist. The more you pull, the more your traps and rhomboids get involved, adding depth and thickness that give your back real definition. It's like sculpting a statue one rep at a time. Plus, a stronger back gives better support for everything you do, from lifting weights to carrying groceries. You don't need fancy curls to grow impressive arms. Pull-ups hit them hard. When you do them daily, your biceps get constant work, especially during the upward pull. Triceps join the party too, helping control your descent. Over time, your arms don't just feel stronger. They look it. Sleeves start hugging your arms a little tighter, and veins might even start showing. It's not overnight, but it's real progress. Daily pull-ups are like a secret weapon for bigger, better arms without ever touching a dumbbell. Pull-ups are sneaky. While your arms and back steal the spotlight, your core is working overtime behind the scenes. Every time you lift yourself, your abs fire up to keep your body stable and balanced. Do it daily, and your core tightens up fast. We're talking better control, sharper movements, and a waistline that starts looking carved. No need for endless crunches. Just hang and pull. Your body becomes one tight, powerful unit. And the best part? A strong core makes you better at everything, from jumping to running to even dancing, yes, really. You don't think about your grip until it fails you, but daily pull-ups, they fix that fast. From the first few days, your hands and forearms start adapting. The bar that felt slippery becomes yours to control. Your fingers clamp tighter, your wrists get tougher, and suddenly, carrying heavy bags or opening tight jars feels like nothing. Grip strength is underrated, but it's a quiet power behind almost every move in life. In the gym, do pull-ups daily, and you'll be gripping like a machine without even realizing it. Sure, pull-ups build your body, but they also build something deeper: confidence. There's something powerful about lifting your own body weight, especially when you do it every day. Each rep tells your mind, I'm stronger than yesterday. And that shows in how you walk, how you speak, even how you look at yourself in the mirror. Daily pull-ups are more than a workout. They're a mindset shift. You become more disciplined, more focused, and yes, a whole lot prouder of what you're becoming. That quiet confidence, it's earned, and it sticks. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or 100 exercises. One move, done daily, can spark a full-body transformation. Pull-ups test your strength, your patience, and your discipline, but they also reward you one clean rep at a time. So if you're thinking of starting, start today. Just hang, then pull, then repeat. The results? They'll show in your body, your mindset, and your life. Keep going, and soon you won't just be doing pull-ups, you'll be living proof that consistency wins.